That's cool, man.
And so I got him on video. It's a crappy point and shoot camera.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I videoed it with that. That Lake Jefferson. There's a lot of them out there.
Hey everybody, hope y'all are doing well. Y'all remember 21st Century here. This is Jay Patrick. He's a fantastic wildlife photographer.
What up?
I'll put a link in the description to his work.
Thanks, appreciate it.
Yeah.
This is Charles. He's the new guy.
Morning.
All right, guys, let's see what we can get into.
Yeah, let's do it.
Excellent.
Let's do it.
Cool.
Woo, that's cold.
This is where the fun begins. Look at this. Walking through all these cattails, all these pickerel weed. I'm up to my knees here. So yeah, little waterways like this can and most definitely hold alligators. But we've got enough people with us where it'll frighten off any kind of danger.
Dude, I told you that's the deep one. Now you're good all the way in.
Conquistadores. Look at your foot. You got all that.
Hydrilla. He's got a bunch of hydrilla. Now, got the ticks up next.
All right.
That's the next part of the adventure.
Those are some good friends of mine.
Yeah, good friends of mine. I like those guys.
So it's starting to get a little tight in here. Jay said to keep an eye out for artifacts because that's what we're doing today. We're heading in to check out this archaeological site, and we're kind of excited to see what we can find. It's supposed to be a large temple mound, and I'm kind of excited to see what's up.
Seeing the remnants of the village.
Careful of that thing.
Is that an old wheel? Oh, cool. Check out this bottle. Masons, as in belonging to. Here, check it out.
Twist bottle? Oh,
No,
it's an old one.
Pop one.
It's a pop one, man.
It's
So
on the bottom. Let's check out the bottom. They have a maker's mark.
yeah, it's got
Well, they still tell though. It's hard to tell.
That's before 1940 because of that. Identify that when I get home.
Oh! The old logo, man.
Wow!
That's fantastic.
Look at the twist on the glass like that.
That is great.
That's something you don't see in a. Oh man, look at that, bro. Let's see right here.
What is the maker's mark?
1963,
Oh,
bottled at Plant 7.
Yeah, Anchor Hocking too.
Yep, 1963.
Look at that.
Look at that. Pepsi Cola.
Ooh, good find, man. Good find.
Pepsi Cola. Look at that, man. Holy smokes. Look at this, dude. Now just, it's everywhere, buddy. So just start looking. It's everywhere.
See what I tell you? Crocs. I found more Crocs. People losing them.
See those islands there?
Yeah.
Those are spoil islands, man-made.
Yeah, that's what Jay was telling me.
Loaded with fossils.
There you go, it's pottery. There's some
Damn.
There you go. Nice. There you go. Y'all remember an earlier video where we were exploring what's called spoil islands? That's them right over there. It's really cool. Our guys over here are checking out artifacts, surface spotting only. It's pretty wild. I mean, there's so many, you know, just littered all about this beach. It's amazing.
There's some big ones right here.
There you go.
That's the linear check stamp.
Linear check stamps, man. That's good stuff, man.
That texture.
Nice texture right there, man.
Yeah, there's a lot of shards in here. This is a really, really rich little spot. The place I like to check is underneath these trees for stuff. It's always really cool. So, just like that, right on the surface. Just absolutely amazing out here. Look at that.
Wow. Just crazy stuff.
That's amazing.
Good find, guys.
Yeah, I can't believe you found that.
Look at this piece. Look at those textures, those colors. It's like been painted like that. It's so gorgeous. Wow. Put that right back where I found it. Look at this. Guys, look at this iridescence on this bottle.
Whoa.
Is there a seam on it?
Whoa. Holy smokes.
Whoa.
London. It's made in London.
Oh man.
This is crazy.
This is good stuff.
Wow.
Yeah. What does this say?
London.
Smokes.
Off. Something off. London.
Holy smokes, man.
That is so
Smirnoff.
Wow. Wow.
It says Schofield.
Wow. Schofield. I've heard of that before. It's a good whiskey company.
He's making stuff up.
Beautiful stuff, huh? Wow.
Look at that.
That's crazy.
Wow. Absolutely. Oh my gosh, man. I mean, the weight
Beautiful.
on it
Can I
is
check it out?
insane, dude.
Yeah. Look at that. I don't know if y'all can see. There it goes. There's that iridescence. See that? It's been out here for a long time. That is gorgeous. That is gorgeous.
That's amazing.
Wow.
That is amazing.
See what the bottom says? You can see it says, you know, London right there.
Yeah. I'll take some pictures of that too. Go home, identify that, and see if we can see it.
Fantastic. Put that back where I found it.
What a great eye, man. That is amazing. Wow. Wow. Holy smokes.
All right. Yeah. That's lovely, isn't it? Careful. Watch where you're stepping. You'll lose a boot, man. Whoa, man.
We gotta see if there's a ramp on it.
Look at this.
An old, you can see the remnants of the ramp going to the top.
Look at that oak coming off of it.
Wow.
Look at that.
There definitely wouldn't be a ramp here.
Nope. You think the ramp would come in from the coast?
I don't know.
42 feet, you reckon?
That's what it says on the topo.
Okay.
That's just above sea level.
Yeah, sure. 42 feet ain't nothing to sniff at, that's for sure. Dig that heel in. This is really wild. This is like a pyramid mound. Typically something like this would be the epicenter of like a village, and chief would sit on top of here. This would be where is either ceremonial purposes or where he lived. Up high, surveying his peeps and his subjects. But I'm sure some of y'all will probably know better as to the significance of this mound here. But it was definitely up there. That's a big mound. Alright, that's about it. We're heading back to the vehicles. The guys have all got obligations this afternoon, so we need to make a beeline back. There's still lots to get into before we get back to the cars, but yeah. Alright, here we go. Well, I'm gonna have to stop and catch my breath. Gotta catch my breath, dude.
I know. Getting old.
So Jay and Charlie had already went ahead and made it back to their car and left because they had appointments, like I said earlier. So 21st and I decided to take a little bit of a break back there, catch our breath, because these water crossings are pretty tough. And we got one more. Check this out. Well, we're almost to the parking area. Thanks for hanging out with us today. It was a lot of fun. I want to thank Jeremy for bringing me along. That was a very interesting archaeological site. I'm looking forward to coming back in the future.
Well, next time I'm gonna kayak.
Yeah, that sounds good. That water felt nice though. I might bring my swim trunks or something and jump in. As long as the red tide isn't up, right? But yeah, I want to thank you guys for coming along. It's been a good time. I appreciate y'all very much. Thank you for watching, and like always, take care.